Hi kids. So I'm continuing with the nouns. So in the first video we talk about the nouns, what are nouns, what are the type of nouns. So the next topic that come after nouns is noun case. So what is case? So case is that property of a noun or a pronoun that gives information about the role it plays in a sentence. केस क्या होता है? केस किसी नाउन और प्रोनाउन की वो प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो हमारे को उनके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करती है कि वो उस सेंटेंस में क्या रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. मैं इसको दोबारा से बताती हूँ. केस किसी नाउन की और प्रोनाउन की एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो कि ये बताती है कि वो इस सेंटेंस में क्या रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो द रोल प्लेड बाय अ नाउन और pronoun in a sentence is taught by the case. So there are 4 types of cases. Let's talk about the first one, that is subjective or nominative case. Subjective name suggests, as the name you can say, it says subjective means that tells about the position of subject in a sentence. Okay, subjective or nominative case means when a noun or a pronoun occupies the position of the subject. अगर एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन एक सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन को होल्ड करता है तो उसे हम सब्जेक्टिव केस या नॉमिनेटिव केस कहते हैं. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स हेड ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे हैव गिवन द एग्जाम्पल वसीम बॉट आइसक्रीम फॉर निम्मी. वसीम क्या हो गया? सब्जेक्ट. वसीम इज द नाउन or it's a noun, so it's a subject. And bought ice cream for Nimmi, that is not the subject. So what Wasim is doing is ये बताया गया है कि वसीम क्या कर रहा है, ये इसके आगे के सेंटेंस में बताया गया. ओके, Wasim is, what Wasim is doing? Wasim is bringing ice cream for Nimmi. Okay, so here the subjective case is Wasim. Okay, in the next they have given she loves ice cream. What does it mean? She is a pronoun. So she, the pronoun is a word that we use in case of instead of noun, in place of noun. So they have used she. So she loves ice cream. So what she क्या है? एक सब्जेक्ट हो गया और वो क्या कर रहा है? आइसक्रीम को पसंद करता है. तो she is a subjective case. I hope everybody has got that. So next come accusative or objective case. जब किसी सेंटेंस में जो एक नाउन होता है वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट का रोल प्ले करता है तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑब्जेक्टिव केस कहते हैं. When a noun plays the role of a direct object in a sentence, it is known as the accusative sentence or an objective case. Okay. Likewise, Wasim bought the ice cream for Nimmi. Wasim is also a noun, ice cream is also a noun, and Nimmi is also a noun. So which one is the direct object? Object is like a non-living thing here. So that is called the direct object. So ice cream is directly associated with Wasim. So if ice cream is a direct object. And Nimmi liked it so much, so here it is the ice cream. They are talking about the ice cream. It here denotes ice cream. So here it is a direct object. So ice cream and it are objective case here. Okay. So next comes the dative case. Dative case, when a noun or a pronoun plays the role of indirect object in a sentence. जब एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट का रोल प्ले करता है, इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कि लिविंग थिंग. ओके, इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो होगा वो हमेशा एक लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, लिविंग थिंग होगा. और डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होगा, वो हमेशा नॉन लिविंग थिंग होगा. That you have to keep it in mind. Direct object is always a non-living thing and indirect object is always a living thing. So Wasim bought the ice cream for Nimmi. So Nimmi is the indirect object. Indirectly किसके लिए आइसक्रीम लाई जा रही है, ना अपने लिए ना किसके लिए लाई गई है, निम्मी के लिए. तो निम्मी जो है वो indirect object हो गया. That means that is a dative case. He bought it for her. He is a noun. Bought it, bought is a verb. It is a direct object and her is an indirect object here. So let's move on to the next one, that is genitive or possessive case. So possessive means क्या होता है? Possessive means to show the possession या association of an object. Okay, when you show that authority level, you can say the authority of an object. When a noun or a pronoun or an adjective shows possession or association, like that book is mine. So book is associated with me. So that book is with me. So that book is mine. So book is associated with me. Let's look at the example here. Here it is given, Mohan's book is with me. Book किसकी है? मोहन की है. ठीक है, किसके पास है? तुम्हारे पास है, मेरे पास है. ठीक है, तो मोहन जिसकी भी बुक होगी उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? पोजेसिव केस बोलेंगे. ओके, जनरली जो पोजेशन होता है वो हम किसमें दिखाते हैं? एपोस्ट्रोफी एस से दिखाते हैं. ओके, जनरली अगर हम किसी का नाम होता है तो वो एपोस्ट्रोफी एस से हम मार्क करते हैं. In the second example they have given, his book is with me. किसकी बुक उनके पास है? His. एक नाम मेंशन नहीं है, प्रोनाउन यूज हुआ है. तो his book is with me, किसी और की बुक उसके पास है. तो बुक किससे बिलोंग कर रही है? His. His. Okay, तो his is a possessive case here. So I hope everybody had got cleared about the noun cases. So there are 4 types of noun cases. So that's it for the noun cases. For part 1, you can get the link in my description box. So do like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.